In this video, we'll learn how to decrypt QOQA ransomware virus online ID. All files are encrypted with QOQA virus extension.
We'll use Stop djvu decryptor to decrypt the files. You can follow the steps to decrypt your files. Note, the Stop djvu decryptor is not free. It is paid and you can contact us to purchase the software. Steps. First of all, run the decryptor. Copy the personal ID from the readme.txt file. Now, click on the Decrypt Files button. Wait for a few minutes. The decryptor uses an online server to bypass private keys. The files will be recovered in a few minutes. Request. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.